The tragic case of Metro Police Constable Tyler Lamb, who lost his life in the line of duty, continues to unfold. 3 men arrested in connection with the armed business robbery that led to his death will remain in custody through the holiday season. I truly hope no one visits them this Christmas. If only they had surrendered, they would be facing robbery charges and could have been home for the holidays, just as Officer Tyler Lamb should have been. Please note, the images of the suspects shown in this video are not real photographs. They are illustrative visuals only, used to help tell the story. The actual identities and appearances of the suspects are protected by law until the court process is complete. Their case has been postponed to March of next year for further investigation. During their second court appearance on November 17th, the suspects chose not to apply for bail. This decision was welcomed by city officials and the community, who are still mourning the loss of the young officer. One of the suspects is now formally charged with murder, while the other 2 face charges for the robbery and the illegal possession of ammunition. According to National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Eric Nabazalila, the identities of the accused are being withheld from the public for now. This is a standard procedure, as they are scheduled to participate in an identity parade, which is a crucial part of the ongoing investigation. The incident that claimed Constable Lamb's life happened on Friday, November 7th. Lamb, a newly deployed neighborhood safety officer, was part of a team conducting a vehicle checkpoint along Voortrekker Road. They noticed a Toyota Yaris acting suspiciously. When the driver refused to stop and sped off, a chase began. The vehicle was eventually stopped, and several suspects fled on foot into a nearby building. Officers called for backup, and 1 suspect surrendered. Upon entering the building, they learned that another suspect had climbed onto the roof. It was during a scuffle while trying to arrest this suspect that Constable Lamb tragically fell from the roof, sustaining fatal injuries. J.P. Smith, the mayoral committee member for safety and security, has been vocal about the need for justice. He expressed relief that the suspects did not apply for bail and noted the state's commitment to opposing it. However, he also raised a critical point about accountability. Smith argues that all individuals involved in the armed robbery should be held responsible for Lamb's death, not just the one directly involved in the scuffle. The principle he's referring to is common purpose, where all participants in a crime can be held liable for its consequences. And I agree with him. In America, if you take part in a crime and someone dies, all participants can be charged with murder. The same principle should apply here. I know we are not America, but just maybe it will make them think twice before commit a robbery? The search for the 4th suspect, who remains at large, is a top priority for law enforcement. Smith acknowledged the frustration but expressed confidence that significant efforts are underway to track down and apprehend this individual. Provincial police spokesperson confirmed that investigations are active and ongoing to bring the final suspect to justice. The loss of Constable Lamb has left a deep void. He was described by J.P. Smith as a gem of an officer and an incredibly good person. Smith called his death a painful loss for his family, the city, and the community he served. He was an extraordinary official, dedicated to his duty. Ward 57 Councillor Yusuf Mohammed, who attended the court proceedings, echoed these sentiments. He reminded everyone that Lamb was more than just an officer. He was a father and a husband. Mohammed called him a hero for the city of Cape Town, someone who made the ultimate sacrifice to ensure the safety of its residents. As the legal process moves forward, the community waits, hoping for justice for a man who gave his life to protect others. The case is a stark reminder of the dangers that law enforcement officers face every day. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates as they become available. Our thoughts are with Constable Tyler Lamb's family, friends, and colleagues during this incredibly difficult time. If anyone has information about the 4th suspect, please contact Cape Town Metro Police immediately. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates on this and other important stories.